Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Ford E-350. As we're walking around, I would like you guys to just pay attention to the quality of our vehicle. Of course, this is going to be our 16-foot box truck, and it comes equipped with a ramp. This vehicle does have a GVWR of 12,500 pounds, and it is a rear-wheel drive dually tires. Here we do have our E-350 Super Duty, and as mentioned, the tread on the tires is really good. Along with that, we do have our dually rear tires, and along with our tires, we do like to make sure that we paint all of the chassis underneath our trucks. This is to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath, and we do that by using a special paint. Now, of course, we do have a gasoline tank, and this is where you would go ahead and pump your fuel. And with a head-on view of the actual box itself, this is what it looks like. As you guys can tell, we do have our singular grab handle right over here to the right side. Here we also have our tow hitch right below, so you're able to tow if needed. Along with that, of course, we have our ramp, which I'll go ahead and pull out here in a little bit and show you guys. On the box itself, we do have our opening width at 7'4" and our opening height at 6'1". Now I'll go ahead and open up our box, show you guys the inside, and pull out our ramp as well. I went ahead and opened up our box, and then I went ahead and pulled out our ramp, so this is what it's gonna look like. These ramps come in handy whenever you're trying to load your vehicle, whenever you're trying to make sure you're able to get stuff up here. Instead of having to do the heavy lifting, you can just roll it up here, and it's just an upper hand for you guys. In here, we do have our tie-down boards and our kickboards that line all the sides. Along with that, we do have our length of 16 feet, our width from side to side of 7'7", with our box height being 6'7". Now, as we're walking around, I will go ahead and finish off with our tires, but I did want to mention that we do have a clearance of 11 feet with this vehicle. Again, the tire quality is amazing. We want to make sure that you guys are able to leave, making sure that these will last you a very long time. And before hopping up at our steering wheel, I will go ahead and open up our passenger door and give you guys a quick preview from this side, inside our cab. As you guys can tell, these vehicles are fully detailed. Our team makes sure that these are fully detailed, so that way whenever you guys take them home, they're in the best condition possible. Now give me one moment and I'll hop up at our steering wheel. And our steering wheel, on our dash, we do have 174,369 miles. Our steering wheel itself looks a little bit like this. And over to the left side, we do have our power locks and windows with our access to our headlights and our dome lights as well. Over here on the right side of that, we do have our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, Sirius, and aux. Right below that is going to be the heater and the AC. These work amazing, and they keep you nice and cool or nice and warm depending on the weather. And then of course we have our additional plugins on the sides. Along with that, we do have our center console area. This is going to have some cup holders and some additional storage. And then of course we do have our 3 seats in here, but this does fold up and down as needed. That's something to look at. And of course, our 11-foot clearance. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at our engine. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned, so please take a quick look at our 6.2-liter V8 gasoline flex fuel engine. This holds 331 horsepower, and it runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. today's 2019 Ford E-350. This will be our rear wheel drive dually 16-foot box truck with a ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to check out that small information snippet. I will be leaving down information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.